Mark Sullivan is founder and managing director of Medicines Development for Global Health, a biopharmaceutical company developing medicines based on need, not profit. Mark recognized the potential of Moxidectin, an intestinal worm treatment for domesticated animals, for treating neglected infectious diseases in humans. Mark found funding, re-established manufacturing, and won approval for human testing. This year, final human trials with more than 13,500 people will commence to demonstrate Moxidectin's importance and win approval to use the drug to treat and eliminate onchocerciasis, or river blindness, the second most common cause of blindness due to infection.
It's an extraordinary honour to be recognised through this award. I am absolutely delighted, and it's a very unexpected thing for me. I'm one of the many people who work behind the scenes in very large organisations. The largest I worked for has 110,000 employees, and I was just one of those working away on the development of new treatments for HIV and hepatitis. And you never expect to be recognised for what you do. You get a slap on the back at the year-end assessment and the recognition of your colleagues, and that's pretty much it. No one knows who you are, what you've done, or how you've gone about your work. And so having such a prestigious and public recognition of what it is to develop a medicine, what it takes, and the contribution that it makes to human health is, as I've said, unexpected but an absolute delight, and I am really genuinely honoured, so thank you.